Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Vanguard Plus has an online dashboard. When managing personal finances and specialized investment or cash accounts like the Vanguard Cash Plus account, having centralized digital access is essential for tracking funds. Vanguard provides an integrated online platform and mobile application experience for its clients. If you hold a Vanguard Cash Plus account or standard investment portfolios, you do not have to manage your funds blindly. Vanguard features a fully functioning online dashboard accessible through their official website. Once you log into your Vanguard online account, the main dashboard greets you with an overview of your total combined asset value, breaking down individual account types. Through this digital dashboard, you can view and manage your cash accounts alongside your other holdings. The online interface allows you to monitor competitive yields, check daily transaction limits, track pending next-day bank transfers, and initiate electronic bank transfers or automated clearinghouse movements without needing to call support. Furthermore, the platform integrates closely with the Vanguard mobile app, ensuring that whether you are on a desktop browser or smartphone, your dashboard data remains synchronized. Account security features are heavily emphasized on the portal, giving you round-the-clock visibility over your routing details, transaction history, and linked external payment platforms like PayPal or Venmo. Ultimately, anyone utilizing Vanguard's cash management or investment solutions has full access to a centralized web dashboard designed to keep all financial metrics transparent and easily navigable in one place. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.